G'day, it's Matt here. I'm going to quickly walk you through how to send an autoresponder confirmation email from a Google Workspace Groups account and have it so that it only goes to members who are outside of the organization, and that way you're not ending up with an internal loop where you've got multiple groups or multiple members who are sending messages between each other. You obviously don't want them getting multiple notifications spamming their boxes. So if you go to groups.google.com/all-groups, I'll put the link in the description, and then you go to the appropriate group that you're after. Yes, I've blurred a lot of these out because this is actually a real account, and I'm going to go to the accounts group in this case, and what I want to do is go into group settings. And to set this up, all you gotta do is scroll all the way down towards the bottom, and you'll notice here in auto replies there's 4 options to choose from. If you choose the last option, enable auto reply to non-members outside the organization, then put your text in and then hit save, that's going to give you exactly what you're after. You'll send a message directly to whoever it is that has sent you a message from outside of the organization. And if you've got, for example, an admin group email and an accounts group email, they won't be bouncing messages backwards and forwards between each other because you don't need to be smashing each other's inbox with this. So hopefully that helps.